still falling! Oh! Dude, what kind of plan was that? If it weren't for my trusty web shooters, I'd be bug paste right now.
Ah! So by the book! But if you're gonna go freelance, you have to learn to live a little, Spidey!
Whoa!
Aim for the leafy parts! Foliage is your friend! Our landings were so different!
I think I've had enough of you.
Shh, shh, shh. Hush, little hero. Luxuriate in the beat of your heart, the feeling you might puke if someone offered you fish sticks. Steaming hot!